Hello, dear children. Welcome to Wings of Fire Academy, a place for free education. My name is Miss Grace. Today we are going to write 10 lines on monsoon. So let's start. 1. The monsoon season begins in the month of June. 2. It is the time of the year when we take out our raincoats and umbrellas and keep them ready for use. 3. The first showers of rain bring freshness in the air. 4. The trees look green and there are puddles of water everywhere. 5. The rivers and ponds are filled to the brim with water. 6. Young children often like to splash water in the rain and sail their paper boats in the water collected on the streets. 7. Rainy season has very pleasant weather. 8. In the rainy season, the environment becomes clean and fresh due to a heavy rain shower. 9. Rainy season helps farmers by providing rainwater needed for good cultivation of crops. 10. The onset of monsoon gives everyone a relief from the summer heat and dust.
Great video. Mom,
Yes.
I found the good channel for study.
Great. Like the video. Share it to your school friends. Subscribe to it. But what's the channel's name?
Wings of Fire Academy.